Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me, let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me.
Sheesh, it's Versatile Beats.
Good morning, y'all. It's your girl Imaya, and I'm back with another video. Today was supposed to be a vlog. Well, it's still going to be a vlog, but I was vlogging because I was getting a facial, and my girl canceled my facial appointment. Well, I don't know her, but she canceled the facial appointment. I'm debating on if I want to book with somebody else today, book with somebody else a different day, rebook with her a different day, or just go buy the products and do a facial myself because I'm an esthetician. I just didn't want to do it. Why was my screen again blue? I just wanted to treat myself and go get it done, but I might just be doing it myself at home. We shall see. I had a ClassPass membership and I meant to cancel it, but I forgot to, so I got some extra credits that I need to use. That's what I was using that to book the facial. But I just left the gym. I feel great. I had a good workout, and I'm about to go home, get in the shower. We'll see. I'm gonna find something on ClassPass to do today. I feel like last minute. Let's see what we shall get into today. Alright, y'all, I am outside of the salon suite for my facial, y'all. I can't fucking wait. These right here pissing me off. I don't know where they came from. I'm pretty sure they came from because I'm getting off of my period, but so excited. Can't wait for them to get extracted. I ended up obviously finding somebody else to book with, and I'm excited. I'm glad, low-key glad my appointment got canceled because this person had a really good review. She had a 4.9 rating on ClassPass, and they was all, I didn't see not one less than 5 stars. So yeah, I'm excited. I think it's like an oxygen something facial. I just know it said extractions and cleaning me out, and that's what I need. I was going to book one with dermaplaning, but I know you can't do dermaplaning when you do extractions. You could do it if you have like maybe like 1, 2, but I have a good amount of extractions to do, and you shouldn't do dermaplaning over extraction. So I'm going to sit out here for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to, on the ClassPass thing, set to text her when we were outside. So I'm going to do that in a couple of minutes, and yeah, I'm very excited to get this facial.
First starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
Change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding. Now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season.
did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Oh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, summer turned into fall. See, it's funny cause I never thought this would end.
Myself, a last lived in a Brazilian.
But then the season changed.
I didn't know.
You were my, you were my, you were my girl. Should've made you my wife. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby. Oh yeah.
Oh my, we did laser.
It was springtime.
That's right.
And I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings and fly. And I'm too fly for the shit. Oh.
At the refrigerator. But you know, they make those tiny, sorry if I scared you with the coldness. They make those
My
tiny
stomach does a
little
pain.
sprinkles.
You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I wanna know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now. Just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby. I see you. So sexy, boy. So sexy, boy.
That's what they said to me. I'm like, whenever I do the it's the shower, walk-in shower. I went to the one. I think this video will definitely turn out.
Do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast, backseats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide.
All right, y'all, so I just made it back to the house. I'm about to eat this food and finish watching Green Mile. I started watching it last night because my friend told me to watch it. So I'm gonna finish that, eat this food, smoke, and then we're going to clean up this room because, baby, I just be putting stuff on the floor and I need to put it in its place whenever I'm done with it. But yeah, the facial was really good. Like, that's my new esthetician, period. That's my girl. That's my girl. I hope y'all enjoyed the footage. I literally recorded dang near everything. My phone died at the appointment. I really loved her. I'm so happy my facial appointment earlier got canceled. Nothing against the other girl, but I don't think it would have been as good as a facial as the one that I got. She was very knowledgeable on everything. I like the ingredients that she used, the products that she used. So I will definitely be back. She will definitely be seeing me. And I want to try a lash lift next because I really don't like wearing mascara. So I'm going to try that.
I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide.
All right, y'all, I am back at home. I hope y'all can hear me. This air fryer is loud. Went to Trader Joe's. I was gonna get some flowers from there. I only went to Trader Joe's because I had to go to the bank and I was like, I could just use my card and get cash back. The flower selection was terrible. I ended up getting some broccoli to eat with my dinner tonight. I'm waiting on this garlic bread to be done in the air fryer. Tuna casserole, broccoli. And this is my last piece of garlic bread. After this, I'm not gonna eat it with no garlic bread because I'm trying to lose weight. But yeah, y'all, today was a good day. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog and I will see y'all in my next video.